Hi guys! So today, me and my dad are going to fishing! Yep! We are seriously going to fishing. Really good. So I think I put my camera here and then Spotter's camera here. Can you guys see anything? Yep, you guys can see me and my dad. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so got the fishing rod, and then now we gotta use meat. As you guys, shrimp, and then we need shrimp. Then we get some delicious. It's just okay. Never mind that. I'll put it here first. Unless, okay, let's get some. Let's here. The shrimps are right here. Move you guys here. You guys might not see my shrimmy. Oh, look at this delicious shrimp. I'll put it here. Yep. Put it. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, what's up, guys? And then there's shrimp. Delicious shrimp. Oh, isn't that great? Okay, so we've got a few little shrimps over here that the fish ill. Okay, let's tie this to here. Look at this, so delicious. Okay, baby, now I hate it. And then we're gonna use this, and then I'm going to tie it. Guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hey, old man. I have no idea how do I do it. How do I do it? How do I? Oh, come on, man. I can feel the shrimps. Okay, Dad, I don't know how to do it. Can I just put it like this? Yeah, but that's okay. Haha! And then now we're going fishing. So let's go. Look at that big old man. So what I need to do is do this, and then that, and then I'll put this down here. And then now that I need to do it that was it not going down? 2,000 years. I have a problem that there's shrimps everywhere and everywhere. Oh. Come on, man. Okay, now it's unlocked and then do this. Okay.
Real a little bit. Okay, cool.
I can feel some little shrimps. Let's wait for here for hours. Okay, I already feel some fish, like rumbling and a rumbling and a rumbling. A rumbling and a rumbling and a rumbling. I can feel shrimp. That I can feel it. So guys, I can feel it. Look at my timing. Get up. I can feel it. Did it happen?
Yes. Oh my god. Oh, 冇咗收啦，冇咗收啦，入嚟。
Hey, got it. Go. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, look at that.
That's your first fish.
Oh my god. How am I going to take care of these guys?
Okay.
Go. just got 2 fishies, so that's great. Isn't that great, guys? Yep. They are in the trough in here. Trap in there. And then now we've got some more to do. Right. Okay, now. Get back. Okay, let's. So the fish are all in this direction. I remember so far, and then I can already feel some fish. I don't think it's a fish, cause there's always feelings on my fishing rod, and it's just got no fish. My dad wants what? I'm not sure. Yo guys, I've just got another one. That means I've got 3 and my dad's 0. Look at how cute he is. Now to kill him. Hi guys, as you can see, I've got a lot of fishies. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, that fish bouncing. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. Look at how good am I. Wanna pick it up? Pick those dead ones. Oh, look at those flesh. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's put it down. Okay, so let's catch some more fish. As already see, got my thing set up, and this is I used to be a great like 5 minutes ago I almost catch a big one. I almost catch like a big one. I mean, it's good that I catch a big one, but I didn't. So let me see if I can get more fish. Oh my gosh, I've just got so many. Oh, look at this. Look at that thingy. Oh my gosh, he's breathing. Oh. Soon, I've got a lot of fish. You know, my dad got 3 or 4. Oh my god, look at how many I got. Look at so many I've got. Look at how great are they. Oh my god, look at it. They're so cute. Look at, I mean, it's really a good thing that I got a lot of things. I can share it to my whole family. Oh, okay. So I'm going to take care of this fish. That means I've got to use this one. Let me use this one. Okay, so guys, I didn't grab it. Get here and roll it. Oh, that's evil. Oh! Okay. I'm freaking out, and then the fish freaking out, and then we need him to die. Let's punch him. Oh, okay. Die. Okay, let's wait for him to die. Die. Okay, so he doesn't die, so let's wait for more fishies! Guys! Oh my god! Oh, Dad! Oh my god!
Okay, 唔好再收啦，一個人。
Oh my god! Guys!
Got a fish.
Oh my god! Guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, yo! Guys! Look at this big thingy! Oh my god! Like, I just get it up. It's like really hard to get it up, and then now my hands is a little bit tired. Yo guys, what's up? So this is our last fish, which is pretty small. You know why? And then look how. Oh my God! Look, we've got so many fish, and then the middle one is the biggest one. Oh my God, that is insane. And then, you know why? It's gotta so, like my hands gotta so get.
放一條魚走，你咁
Yeah.
對，擺隻手度放佢走。
Okay, we're
Okay, let's release it.
okay. So look at this thing, and then bye. It just went down there, and then. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.